Subtraction without regrouping should be easy, but if your students are rushing, guessing, or just confused, it's time to go back to the basics with base 10 blocks. Hi, I'm Cheryl, and I help primary math teachers keep their students on task and learning. I love using this strategy because it gives a hands-on way to visualize numbers and helps your students grasp the understanding of subtraction in a visual way. I like using magnetic based 10 blocks when showing the students this strategy. I can model on the board, which I'm going to do here in a second, and students can come up to the board and help show their thinking in front of the class too. So let's get started solving 56 minus 23. I would build that with my tens and ones, 5 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then I need 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm ready to subtract. So I'm going to take away 23. I will take away 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. Then I need to take away 2 tens. 1, 2. I am left with 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 56 minus 23 is 33. After students have mastered using the physical base 10 blocks, I like to move on to drawing sticks and dots. I use sticks to represent tens and dots to represent ones. I would draw 5 sticks for 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, then 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm ready to subtract. I show subtraction by crossing off the dots and the sticks. So I'm going to cross off 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to cross off 2 tens. 1, 2. I'm left with 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, which is the same thing I got when I used it with base 10 blocks. One tip I have for drawing sticks and dots is to make sure you space them apart. When students draw dots real close together like this, it's very hard to see when they're crossing off the X's. When your students have mastered showing 2-digit subtraction with their base 10 blocks, then you can give them worksheets that show the base 10 blocks. In this example, I would show them how to cross off in the first number only and not get confused by that second number. This worksheet is in my TPT store. You can find it in the description below. Also included with these worksheets are problems with sticks and dots, so your students can get that practice as well. You can move on to drawing sticks and dots after your students have shown that they've mastered using the physical base 10 blocks. Drawing sticks and dots save your students some time. If you are ready to build confidence in your students, go grab these worksheets and you can get them in the description below. Make sure you like and subscribe so you know when the next strategy comes out. Have a wonderful day. Bye.